Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Home Depot credit card online from your computer. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Home Depot credit card account, open up a web browser. In the URL box popping up at the top, type in Home Depot credit card login and press enter. On the next page, you'll be able to see the search result based on your search. Click on this first link that says Home Depot credit card login or apply. This link over here at the very top, and this will take you to a new tab. In the sign in area, you'll need to type in your information. Start off with your user ID in the first text box, and if you'd like the system to remember your user ID next time you log into your account with a particular device, click on this Remember My User ID box beneath. But make sure to leave it unchecked if you're using a public or a shared device. Once you enter your user ID, head over to the password field and type in your password correct. In case you don't remember your user ID or your password, you can click on Retrieve User ID for your user ID. Similarly, click on the Reset Password link if you've forgotten your password during logging in. If you'd like to register your credit card first for Home Depot, since you've not done that yet, click on this Register Your Card link at the bottom and follow the instructions in order to register first. Once you enter your credentials, click the Sign On button and you'll be able to log into your credit card account for Home Depot. That is how you can log into your Home Depot credit card accounts. With your credit card account logged in, you can pay your bills online, track your account activities, activate accounts alerts, and so much more. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.